I'm not sure whether the algorithm that showed you this video and every other video you've seen today should.
Yeah, so I agree with you in principle. I'm a computer science and cybersecurity professor, but got to talk about the history of algorithms and why they exist. I know that the popular understanding is that companies made all these algorithms because of their evil desires to steal all your attention, but that's not actually how that stuff happened. There was this website called StumbleUpon, and that's how we figured out how recommendation algorithms worked. The goal of StumbleUpon was to make content that was niche rise to the niche, the attention of the niche that was interested. They were like, oh, there's like fractal niches, right? And so there's little tiny content creators that talk about, something that only a few people are interested in, and we want to make sure that the people who are interested get that stuff. Then you got SEO, search engine optimization, which was a blight on the world. We had this thing called an autoencoder, and what it does is it figures out what is this content. It sort of puts it in a place in a like super high dimensional like space and tries to figure out its coordinates in that space. There were people who were paid a lot of money to figure out how to write articles so that you would put it in the space that people were commonly searching for, right? Specifically, like a plumber in your area that wanted to come up first. This is not a new thing. Like, you know how like AAA plumbing is like that so that they come first in the phone book. There's this incentive, right, to sort of game these algorithms, and that's like the problem. If you, through a magic genie wish, deleted recommendation algorithms, the internet would suck for a really long time until we figured out a new thing. Because all those companies still have these techniques on deck. Like, they're ready to use them. They're ready to rename themselves AAA plumbing, right? Problem is that attention is a commodity, and so people are going to develop things that try to seize attention. And if King James couldn't get rid of the printing press, like, we're not going to get rid of some technologies that have an incentive for their use. Saying the current state of affairs is like great, right? There's problems to solve. Usually the way that we solve those problems is more technology, not less, because people already know how to beat the game where we had less technology is the problem.